So Liz, why are we at the beach?
We are having lunch at the beach.
Lunch at the beach?
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Okay. So what are we going to have for lunch?
Mee goreng.
Okay, we are at Changi Beach now for lunch. And what do we have here? It's fried noodles. Look at the prawns. We bought 2 sets of this. One more is inside here. But the serving looks like can fit the both of us. So let's makan. While we are taking the fried noodles, take a look at some of the close-up videos of some very small plants and flowers I found on the beach, which I haven't seen or maybe didn't pay any attention to any of them before this. So Liz, how's the noodles?
Delicious.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Alright. Okay, so we are done with lunch, and before the weather gets any worse, I think it's best for us to pack up and go. Anyway, thanks for watching.